Hey all, so I'm going to walk you through a problem that has recently cropped up in Virginia's Audi Q7. This is one of the Q7s with the 3.0T motor, which is a very common engine in several different Audi models across several different years. The 3.0T motor is, I would say, misnamed, because it is not a turbocharged engine. It is actually a supercharged engine. But anyway, we've been having this problem that cropped up a few days back. If you drive the car around gently, it performs as expected, no problems. But the moment you try to step on the gas, even within normal usage range, we experience all sorts of lights and things that pop up on the dashboard. And so I'll demonstrate that to you in a moment when I accelerate to get on the highway here. So as I drive along here, ignore the brake pad warning lights and the brake light. That's something that just popped on today, but that indicates that the brake pads at one or more of the wheels have basically worn through the wear indicator. So that's a project for another day. But do pay attention to the fact that the check engine light is currently on. And I'll show you in a minute when I start to accelerate what happens. Look at this four-wheel drive Ford van. Awesome. I'm actually slowly accelerating on this on-ramp because there's traffic here. But anyway, I'll show you once we get up to speed what happens. Oh, hear that? Bum, bum, bum. Hear that? It's missing. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It happened anyway, even though I didn't try. So, tire pressure monitoring system malfunction. The whole car's vibrating. EPC light is illuminated. Traction control is illuminated. And if I step on the gas, it vibrates a lot. It still lets me accelerate. It still lets me drive. But it's kind of being an asshole. So anyway, I can remedy this by turning the vehicle off, and I can actually do that at speed. Basically, I throw it in neutral, turn off the car, restart the car. It goes through all of its startups, tells me the brake pads are shit, put it in drive, and I continue on my merry way with just the check engine light and TPMS no longer illuminated, blah, blah, blah. So what's actually going on here? I'll run the codes for you guys just so you can kind of see why the check engine light is illuminated, but I've already done it. Basically, I have a misfire on the middle two cylinders in this V6. And what happens is when I step on the gas, I end up experiencing a misfire. And then the harmonics of it apparently fool the computer into thinking that there's a problem with the traction control or something like that, where it thinks one of the wheels is spinning at a different rate than the others, and so it just basically all hell breaks loose. And that's actually because the other sensors are thinking that there's another problem happening. My understanding is if I replace the plugs and the coils in particular, I should solve the problem. So that's what I'm going to do, and it's not particularly difficult on this engine, but it does come with its own small challenges. Okay, let's just see the codes that show up here. Wow, this is an old ass scanner. Let's just go with here. Okay, that's good. Okay. Give me the damn codes. There we go. Cylinder 5, misfire. What else we got? 3, 5, 5. I know in the past, we also had cylinder 2, I think. In any case, that's what we got. Misfires.